Artie the plumber, it's even more complicated as he digs into the specs for the installation of this Moen digital shower valve.
It's going to take a lot of tease and fitting and sweating out of the process.
And after more than a little head scratching,
Is this over your head?
It's a little bit. I'm fixing to call him.
Artie's guys began installing the system, so I'm stopping by to check on the progress.
Artie, we were talking about coming up and seeing the shower valve. I wasn't expecting to come into an attic, but Moen's got a pretty good setup here.
Man, I like it. It's a really neat unit. It's fun to install too. It's a little bit different. I had to make a few phone calls to make sure I was doing things right and read the instructions, but really neat unit.
Oh, that's cool. You know, I saw this at a trade show, and I know they refer to it as the IO Digital, and which pretty much sums it up because you're able to control everything so well. I know they had a remote control, they had a controller in the shower itself, so that you can really customize what up to 4 different people in the house as far as that shower experience. Huh?
It's exactly right. It's got the little remote control. It's got a little micro key on it, and you hit it while you're in the shower. You set that temperature. Danny likes that temperature. He's going to push it. He gets in. Everything's set and ready to go.
Yeah, that's perfect. Basically, then you have this part of it, and you feed, of course, your water. Hot and cold's feeding into this, and then you have this delivery that goes down, and we got several heads we're putting in too.
It's got 4 branches, as you see, coming off at the top of the mixing valve. You know, gives you body sprays, handheld showers, your regular standard shower head, and they all can operate at different functions at different times. It's got some really neat devices in there to make it, you know, just a rainbow of showers.
Oh, that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. Well, if you want to get spoiled a little bit in the master shower area, I guess that's the way to go.
It is.